Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You should know it. Guys, in this video I am gonna tell you about a robot that is made from human cells. Guys, researchers have engineered tiny robot made from human cells that could potentially be used to help heal wounds, regenerate tissues and even treat diseases. As detailed in a new study published in the journal Advanced Science, these multicellular anthropods have already demonstrated that they can move in their own and help repair and regrow damaged regions of neurons. So far, the biobots have only been able to perform these feats in a laboratory setting, just a petri dish, in fact, but their potential is no doubt outstanding. The work follows a previous research led by some of the same researchers who developed the first biological robot dubbed xenobots from frog stem cells. Now they have one-upped themselves by proving that they can do the same, if not better, with regular human cells. That could potentially allow doctors to use a patient's own cell to construct the bots, reducing the chances of complications like the body rejecting foreign tissues. Some people thought that the feature of the xenobots rely a lot on the fact that they are embryonic and amphibian. Co-author Michael Levin, a professor of biology at Tufts University, told, "I think this is a much more general property of living things. We don't realize all the competences that our own body cells have." The researchers created the arthropods using adult human cells from the trachea or windpipe. These cells are covered in hairy filaments called cilia that wriggles and push away foreign material. Just as importantly, they can also clump together to form multicellular growth called organoids. Take advantage of these traits and you have the key ingredient for a biological robot. In the lab, the researchers encouraged the cells to form organoids with their cilia facing outwards. Within days, these hairy lumps began to inch around using their cilia moving in straight line, circle and sometimes just sitting in place. Though their mobility varies, the fact the cell can clump in such a formation means that these biorobots can practically make themselves. Anthropods self-assemble in a lab dish, explained co-author Gizem Gomoskaya, a synthetic biologist at Tufts, in a statement about the work. Unlike xenobots, they don't require tweezers or scalpels to give them shape, and we can use adult cells, even cells from elderly patients instead of embryonic cells. To demonstrate their therapeutic potential, the researchers grew 2D layers of human neurons, made little incisions in them to form wounds, and put superbot clusters of the arthropod nearby. Remarkably, without any additional genetic engineering or programming, the superbots went ahead and helped the neuron regrow. How they prompted this healing is not fully understood yet, but Gomoskaya is confident that their potential is enormous. Unlike inanimate robot cells can communicate with each other and create these structures dynamically, and are already programmed to carry out biological function, plus they safely biodegrade within 60 days. Rest assured, these biobots don't reproduce and can't survive outside the lab, so the scientists say there is no chance for them to spread uncontrollably. Though hopefully one day they will prove sturdy enough to survive our bodies. Don't forget to do comment if you like my scientific videos. So guys, that's all about my today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. I shall see you in next video. Bye bye.